When taking the chest measurement, position the tape measure under the arms and around the broadest part of the chest. Be sure to pull the tape snug until you feel a slight tension. Too tight or too loose will give you an inaccurate measurement. Make sure the tape is level on both sides and parallel to the floor. Don't place any of your fingers between the tape and the chest. Perfect. Here we have 39 inches. The overarm measurement is similar to the chest measurement, but the tape goes over the arms instead of under. With the arms relaxed, place the tape around the broadest part of the chest and arms. Again, make sure the tape is level on both sides and parallel to the floor. It helps if you stand to the side of the gentleman. Pull the tape snug until you feel a slight tension and do not place any fingers between the tape and the chest. The overarm measurement is 49 inches. The correct waist measurement helps us to ensure your pants and coat fit just right. Place the tape around the waist an inch below the navel. It helps to have the gentleman point to his belly button. Be sure to avoid placing the tape over the belt or the waistband of the pants. The tape measure should be level and parallel to the floor. A loose measurement will yield an incorrect size, so pull the tape snug until you feel a slight tension. Here we have 33.5 inches. To get an accurate pant outseam measurement, ask the gentleman to remove his shoes and look straight ahead during the measurement process. Start the tape measure level with the waistband centered at the back of his pants. Hold the tape firmly in place with one hand and stretch it all the way to the floor with the other. The outseam measures 41 inches. You have the option to order a preferred pant break or length. To do so, you'll need to adjust the outseam measurement accordingly. For example, to order your pants with a full break, simply enter the outseam measurement as is. For a half break, subtract 1 inch from the outseam measurement. For a quarter break, subtract 1.5 inches from the outseam measurement. And to achieve no break on the pants, where the socks show slightly, subtract 2 inches off of the outseam measurement. Before taking the hip measurement, be sure the gentleman removes any items from his pockets, like a cell phone or a wallet. The hip measurement is achieved by placing the tape around the broadest part of the hip. Keep the tape measure parallel to the floor. It's easiest to see the tape's correct position when you stand to the side of the gentleman. Pull the tape until you feel tension and record your measurement. Here we have 41 inches. For a comfortable shirt fit, place the tape measure around the neck where the shirt collar would be buttoned. Do not put any fingers between the tape and the neck. Add 1 inch to this measurement to achieve the correct neck size. Perfect! The tape measure reads 15 inches, so a 16-inch neck size would be recorded. The sleeve measurement is achieved in 3 phases. First, start the tape at the base of the neck and centered with the spine. Run the tape over the top of the shoulder and hold it there. Continue running the tape down the arm to the point of the elbow. Again, hold it there, then take the tape down the arm to the break in the wrist. You'll measure 1 inch past the wrist bone. It's always better to measure long versus short. Oh, that's too far. Good. The sleeve measurement is 34.5 inches. We'll order a 35-inch sleeve.